Add in your spices of choice. I used grill mix, salt, cinnamon, uda seed, cloves, ginger and garlic mix, seasoning and onions. Stir to combine everything, and cover to let it simmer using medium heat. Pour in a cup of water to cook it through. Wash your rice while cooking the chicken. Strain and put aside. Prep your veggies and blend together. Fry the cooked chicken first. Go in with the chopped onions. Add in the tomato paste. Stir and let it fry for a few minutes. Pour in the blended pepper mix. Stir and add in your spices. I added SFK all-purpose spice and Jollof mix. Put in salt and pour in the chicken stock. Pour in more water that will cook the rice till tender. Stir to combine, then cover and let it simmer. Put in your fried chicken before the water dries completely.
Thank you for watching.